Hi everybody, it's Bill from Xcentrick Autosports. Today we're going to talk about our Steeda Performance Vehicles. And what we're looking at for the very first time is the Steve McQueen Bullitt, which is a special edition from the Steeda Group. This is unique. It's last of an era of these new vehicles that are being produced by Ford. So we're getting a lot of customer-owned vehicles in here rather than as we do with some of the other vehicles brand new from dealers. So we're just going to give you a quick walk around as to the base product, the options that we can put in it, and we're partway through a build, so let's show you what we've got. So follow on. I've got my cheat sheet, which is all the different parts that we're putting on and how we access them. If you look on the floor right now, there's some significant changes. We're doing half shafts in the back because this car is actually going to get the very unique green Whipple supercharger to bring it well over 800 horsepower. So it's going to be quite the package when it's done. And our client from the Montreal, Quebec area, Gatineau actually, is very happy and excited to see this, but not sure what they have to expect yet because they've never driven one. So it's going to be really unique for them to see it in the first time as well. So we'll just kind of walk through. These components here, Mike has already taken these out. These are the old ones that are coming out, and he's got some of them already installed. So we're changing springs, shocks, we're changing control arms, we're doing frame connectors on this. We've got carbon fiber QA1 drive shaft going into it. All kinds of sturdy bracing for this car. Steeda does a very good job at engineering components, and I think that's what they're worldwide known for. So those of you who are not familiar with Steeda, check it out. Go to the web, look up Steeda Vehicles, and you'll see what they do. They're very significant in the Ford performance aftermarket industry worldwide. So we are lucky enough to have just been recently named the exclusive Canadian builder for all of Canada for Steeda Performance Vehicles. So that gives you the Steve McQueen Bullitt Edition, gives you all the various hot rod Mustangs that they've put packages together for, F150s, Raptors, Super Duties, and as time hopefully comes fairly soon, we'll see the Bronco and the Mach 1 in this package family as well. So keep following and we'll show you that. So just if Jesse can zoom in pretty quick here. Mike's already working away. He's got the new Steeda springs in there. The spacers, which are unique to Steeda, the control arms, the different links and so on are already in. He's got some more work to do here where we cut down the bump stops and change those. If you look behind us on the shelf here, on the bench here, and because it's the Steve McQueen edition, I hope you can see this in camera, but this is a dark metallic green. These actually go underneath the car, so that's going to be pretty cool once they're all on. We've got bump stops. We've got the different springs, different locators for the new sway bars. The top of the front struts, it gives you full adjustment with those. Now, we're just going to give you this part of it now so you can kind of get used to it. And if you have any questions, shoot on the website, Xcentrick Autosports. So info at Xcentrick Autosports or xkautosports.com. So info at xkautosports.com. If you have any questions, we're going to continue to follow through. Mike's working away right now. The supercharger is still a little bit away because it's a unique build with Whipple. Like I said, it's green, so they build them as one-offs. We should see that hopefully in the next week or so, and we'll carry back in another week or so to give you more updates. If you want to see anything more specific, like I say, go to the website and we'll answer any questions you've got. So we're excited. We wanted to share this with you, and hopefully you like what you've seen and you want to follow along.